Hi everyone and welcome back again. So in this video I'm gonna talk about string in Java. So at first I want to create a new package. The package name will be string. So inside string I want to create a new class. For example, I say string1. I want to open it string1. New Java class. So here is the foreign string. So at first I want to create a new class. Main method first. So here, see, we can create a string in by using three class. Number one is string class, then string buffer class, and string builder class. But in this video, I'm going to talk about the string class, and later on I will show you about string buffer and string builder class. So at first, let's say I want to take a variables for a string by using string or string. Let's say string A, for example, just say A, or you can say S1 or something, and then I can give a name. The name is Karim. It's my name. This is string here, and for another I can declare another one also string a2 is equal to this one. I can write in different way, just say new string, then I can say this is a new string also here, declare new string. So now if I want to see if I want to print this string, so I can just say system.out.println, then I can just write here, for example, say a is equal to, then I can say a space, and then I can plus a. This one is one, and if I want to change here, Control Shift down array. So if I want to see the a2 is equal to a2. So if I run it now, it's taking some time. So here a1 is equal to result Karim, and a2 is equal to also result Karim, because it's same. So say if I change it, just this. So until now here, and I've shown how to print a string. Now I'm going to look some method for a string. How can? So at first I want to see the length. So for example, I can see the data type length will be, of course, in integer. So I say integer length is equal to, I can say here, just say I want to see the length for my name. Okay, say is I put string here. So length is equal to a dot then length, a dot length. So inside the length, I can just say here this. If I want to see the length for a, I can now print it. This means length. We have to length of a is equal to then plus a1 plus a1. You know how to print a variables. So a1. So if I want to see this, sorry, I want to see the, okay, so it's a only, so I have to print here a. I have to see the len, sorry, len. So if I run it, the len is equal to 12. You know why 12? There is space. Also space is still counting, so there's a count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So length is equal to 12 here. Now after len, I want to see for the the contents. For example, I want to see uh any word inside my name or not. So it's like I can, So I want to just look any word that is inside A or not. So say for example, I can say here it's a boolean because the output will be true or false. So say boolean B is equal to, I can say A dot contains. Then I can write here the word. For example, just I'll write here the Karim. Now if I print this, so like mm, or not print ln, then I can see the B is equal to, I can say there plus B. If I run it now, this is true. That means the Karim is inside A here. But if I just say here, if I just use it for A2, like for example just A2, then it will print false. Now it's true because A2 is the Ashik. Now they say here it's a false. This is for use of contains. Now I can check something as like is equal or not. So here I can use if else. If I can say just like A is equal A2. Okay, not. If you just say print equal, that's you already know it's a normal thing. QALS equals, and then else if it's not, it's just to print not equals, not equals. You see it's not equals until now here. So now I want to show another some more methods. That is like, see, I want to add these two string together. That is the called concat method. It's like, say, if I take on the new variables, that will be the string. So for concat, I can talk about just say, I need to take variables that will be the string. String it's a D because I already use all. D is equal to A dot concat. I can see here the A2. Now if I print, just say if I just print D is equal to plus D. So is it okay or not? Just say it will show together the new output. Rajaul Karim and then Ashik's. So here is there is no space. So if I can just put here, I can put any space. So it will give me new values for space. Rajaul Karim and Ashik. So it's now added together. Now I can show you another methods. That method is is empty. So say I another again I can say boolean e is equal to say a dot is empty or not, or is blank also we can use. So I can also print it. Say here e is equal to, as a plus e. Of course, it's the result will be false. Result is false here. So after is empty, now I can also use another method that is to uppercase. There we can change the all of uppercase, or we can convert all of lowercase. So for example, I can say just say this uppercase and lowercase, it will be also for string. So we say string E, now it's F is equal to A dot uh, to uppercase first, to uppercase first, and you see, then I will take it to lowercase. So then I can print it. Uppercase is equal to, and I say F. So it will show me the result column whole in capital letter. Uppercase is equal to result column. Now also I can change it to lowercase. I can say, oh sorry, I can just copy both two line. I can just say here is F. Now I can say it's G, and it's lowercase 2. G is equal to A dot, say to lowercase. And if I print here G, I can say it's the lowercase. If it's a lowercase, then it will show me all of letter will be in a small letter. Sorry. Let me the dot lowercase. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. Now it will be okay. Sometimes I'm a small mistake. Okay, it's now all is lowercase here. So lowercase, then uppercase, which are also concat. And now I can show you something. Is my name start RAZ or not? So I can just say this is another kind of thing. Just say uh, whenever we are going to use this, like it will be the start with. So start with is normally boolean. It will give us the true or false value. So I can say boolean. Then after boolean, I can say boolean. Now G. Now I can say the H is equal to A dot st start with. So start with, I can write RAZ. RAZ. Z or not. This start with. So I can say here, that's if I can print it. There's nothing. I will just print only the H. It will give me true or false value. Yeah, it's start by RAZ. So it's true. If I just give, for example, just normally, I just change the value, the lowercase, whatever. Now it's a false because the first one was the capital letter, but I give here the small letter, so it's show false. This is for the start with. Now I can say about end with, means the how it's finished. So I just can copy it. It will save my time. Say it's, for example, it's finished by RIM. So I can say boolean I. A dot start with SD. No, it will be the end with, sorry. And end with, I just say RIM is Karim. So here I can just say I. Is it true or false? This is true because it's finished by RIM until here.